Hello everyone, welcome to Year 2, Week 8 Maths, and we're going to be learning this week about 3D shapes. This is going to be revising what we've learnt in school before, just to make sure that we remember the names of the 3D shapes in this first lesson and that we remember the properties of the shapes that we can use to help us identify them. So I've gathered together some shapes from school. These are 3D shapes that we've learnt before. So we've got this one here, which is the cone. And we can remember it's the cone because it looks like an ice cream cone that we might buy at the park on a hot summer's day. So that is the cone. And it has one circular edge. It has an apex at the top and it has two surfaces. One face here at the bottom that's a circular shape and a curved surface here. Okay, so that's our cone. Next, we've got the cylinder. Now the cylinder has got three faces. It's got a circular face at this end, another circular face at this end, and it's got a curved surface that goes all the way around. So that is the cylinder. Next, we've got the cube. Now the cube has all square faces, so all of its faces are a square shape. It's got vertices and it has got edges. And we can remember that 6, 8, 12 method. It's got 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Next we have got the cuboid, and the cuboid is very similar to the cube because it has got the same number of faces. It's got 6 faces. It has got the same number of vertices, 8 vertices. It's got the same number of edges, 12 edges, but it's different from the cube because all of the cube's faces are square shaped, whereas on the cuboid some of the faces can be rectangular, or all of the faces can be rectangular. This one has got square shaped faces and rectangular shaped faces. But you can have cuboids where all of the faces are rectangular, but you can't have a cuboid where all of the faces are square because then it would be a cube. So we've got cone, cylinder, cube and cuboid. Next one we're going to look at is the sphere. Now the sphere doesn't have any vertices or edges, it's just got one curved surface or face that goes all the way around and it rolls. It rolls no matter which side you put it on because it is just one curved surface or face. This last one is a pyramid. Now I've got two different sorts of pyramids here. Oh, this naughty sphere, it just keeps rolling around. I'm going to put it over there to keep it out of the way. So I've got two pyramids. Now we can remember this because they look like the pyramids that you would see in Egypt, that the Egyptians built. And they have a vertice at the top, they have edges and triangular shaped faces. But these two are slightly different because this one, if I look at the base of it, it's a square shape. And we call that a square-based pyramid because it is a pyramid, but the face at the bottom is square. The other 4 faces are triangular shaped. That's different from this pyramid because this pyramid only has triangle shaped faces. There's no square face. So this is a triangular pyramid and this one is a square-based pyramid. So the square-based pyramid has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. This one here, the triangular pyramid, has got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So even though they're both pyramids, their number of properties is different. So two different types of pyramid. Okay, so in a minute I'm going to hide one of the shapes. I'm going to see if you can guess which one it is by listening carefully to the clues. So one of my shapes is hiding under the blanket. I'm going to give you some clues about my shape. See if you can work out what shape it is from my clues. So this shape has one edge and it has an apex. It has two surfaces or faces. One of the faces is circular and it has a curved surface for the other face. Can you guess which shape it is? Have you worked it out? It is a cone. There it is. There's the apex at the top with the curved surface. Got the edge and the circular face. And you'll notice that when I put it on the curved surface, it rolls around. If I put it on the circular face, it doesn't roll, but it does slide across the paper. Okay, I'm going to test you on another one now. Okay, so for the final one, I've chosen one of my 3D shapes. I've drawn around each of the faces. Can you work out from the clues which 3D shape it is? You can see it there. One of the faces is square shaped, and then there are 4 triangular shaped faces. So which 3D shape has those types of faces? See if you can work it out before I bring it in. I'm going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it comes. See if you got it right. It was the square-based pyramid. That's its square face that I drew around. And then it had 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces. Now you've got some learning to do on your slideshow and some games, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.